Shinrin-yoku, a forest bathing visualization. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Let your hands rest gently in your lap, your feet grounded, and your eyes softly closed if that feels safe. Allow your breath to begin to slow. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Again, a deep inhale and a slow, gentle exhale. Let your body begin to soften. Let your thoughts drift like leaves on a stream. Now imagine yourself standing at the entrance of an ancient forest. Towering sugi, Japanese cedar trees, rise above you, their trunks thick with time. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the earthy scent of moss, damp leaves, and pine needles. With each breath, you are inhaling peace. With each exhale, you are letting go of everything else. You begin to walk slowly, almost reverently, along a winding path. Your feet make a soft, crunching sound on the forest floor. A mix of fallen leaves, twigs, and moist soil. The deeper you walk into the forest, the quieter the world becomes. All around you, the forest breathes with you. Pause for a moment. Place your hand on the rough bark of a cedar tree. Feel its texture, its stillness, its strength. You are not just in the forest. You are becoming part of it. Take a long breath in. This is Shinrin-yoku, allowing the forest to bathe your senses. Now begin to awaken your ears and listen. Listen to the gentle sasayaki, the whisper of the wind through the trees. Listen to the delicate dripping of water from a leaf to the ground. Listen to the bird song echoing from above. One clear trill, then another answer in the distance. You walk further and reach a small clearing. A ray of golden sunlight filters through the canopy. Here, a moss-covered rock invites you to sit. You lower yourself gently, feeling the cool surface beneath you. Let yourself become still. You notice movement nearby, soft and fluid. Out from the trees steps a shika, a Japanese deer, Its large, dark eyes meet yours, and for a moment, everything else fades. The deer blinks slowly and peacefully, and then turns to continue its quiet journey through the undergrowth. You smile, knowing that you are no longer a visitor. You are part of this forest community. You are part of this creation. Now bring your attention to the scent in the air, the sweet smell of pine, the green freshness of fern and wild bamboo, the occasional trace of distant flowers, yamazakura, wild cherry blossoms, blooming in the shadows. You feel a breeze touch your face, light, cool, and pure. It carries with it the essence of the forest. You place your hand on your chest. Your heartbeat is calm. Your breath is steady. You are deeply at peace. Further down the path, you see a small stream. The water is clear and cold, tumbling gently over smooth stones. You kneel down and cup your hands in the stream. The coolness awakens your palms, reminding you that you are alive, connected, and whole. Above you, a komodori, a Japanese robin, sings. Its round body bobs on a branch, and the sound it makes is bright and hopeful. You stand once more, feeling refreshed. As you walk back through the path, you pause to bow slightly in gratitude to the forest. As is tradition in many parts of Japan, you whisper, "Arigatou gozaimashita." Thank you to the trees, to the wind, to the creatures who shared their home, and to the one who created it all. And now, gently bring yourself back. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Notice the surface beneath you, the room around you. Let your eyes gently open. The forest remains inside you. It's calm. It's quiet, it's aliveness. You have bathed in nature's embrace, and you can return to it anytime. But ask the animals, and they will teach you, or the birds in the sky, and they will tell you. In His hand is the life of all creation and the breath of all mankind. Job chapter 12, verse 7 through 10. If this visualization was helpful for you, please like, subscribe, or share the link so others may benefit from it as well. Thank you.